This is my dream. From where?
I have no idea.
Oh! And that dream is to stream. Phase up, baby! We got 8 kills that game. The only card flipped over in the deck. Check this out. 8! Because we got 8 kills in that game. I've got the magic. Look at this. There's no way. I've got the cubes. Oh my gosh. It's a world record. And of course, I've got the content. Oh, what the heck? Oh! This is something you've never seen before and you probably won't see again. If you want to be a part of the community, you know where to find me.